Hi everyone, I'm Travis Guillory in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Thanks for coming in today for us.
Thanks for having me here.
Of course, so our whole goal here is to talk about alternatives, healthier alternatives for things. So what are we going to be making today?
So we're going to be making a grilled melon. So specifically, we have some watermelon cut. So this is going to be a good alternative to a sugary dessert. So this is going to be a great dessert option. We're just going to give this watermelon a quick spray, and I have this grill pan preheated. Now, you could do this outside on your grill, but if you don't have an outdoor grill or you don't want to mess with the coals and all that comes along with grilling outside, grill pan is a $15 option.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So we just want to get some really nice grill marks on here. It's going to give a little bit different flavor than you might be used to for, sweet watermelon.
Right, it's going to be a little bit warm, not cold watermelon.
It is. So, and some of the options when it comes off of the grill, you could add some citrus juice like lemon or lime, some shredded mint, a little bit like a dollop of yogurt on there, and those are going to be all yummy little options to add, even a little tiny squeeze of honey.
Right, just to get you a little bit. We don't want to overpower it because that would kind of defeat the purpose, right?
Right. And so one of the great things right now is that melons are in season. You can get those at the farmer's market. A lot of people are growing them in their gardens, so very readily available.
Gotcha, for sure. And shopping at farmers markets are great because you're helping to support local farmers. It's great to get it at a store, but whenever you can do that, it kind of helps the community as well.
Right. Right. So this has probably been on just a few seconds, and you could go a little bit longer, but those grill marks are looking pretty good. You can see the one that we did earlier has some nicer grill marks on
Right,
there.
you got some nice lines on it.
Mm-hmm. And so this would just stay on for another couple of minutes, and then it goes straight off. And at this point is when you could dress it up with a little bit of the yogurt or shredded mint.
Yeah.
And that just tastes really great. Maybe a little squeeze of lime juice.
Yeah, but nothing, like you said with the honey, nothing too sweet or overpowering because that would kind of defeat the purpose of the watermelon, which is, like you said, a great alternative to like a cupcake or something like that. Right. Especially, outdoors, you might be on the slip and slide, you might be in the pool, and you need something refreshing, and this is a great option to do that, and pretty easy because you don't need a whole lot of stuff for it.
Very easy. Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for coming in today, Chef Valerie. Once again, we are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from OUTU School of Community Medicine.